Hello, my name is Nemanja Sekulic and welcome to this Photo Manipulation Essential course. In this course, you will learn everything that you need to know in order to be able to create realistic, eye-catching, believable photo manipulation completely on your own. You will learn what a photo manipulation is, what are the 3 most important rules that you need to follow in order to create realistic photo manipulation, how to put the model in the background and to realistically scale it and position it properly, how to match the lights between the model and the background, how to match the saturation and the color, to color correct it properly, how to create realistic shadows and what the shadows are, what types of shadows do we have. So we will talk about that a little bit more in depth, and also how to add certain effects to make the scene a little bit more dynamic, and how to do final color grading to finalize your photo manipulation and to give it a certain look. So let's start.